In this video, we're gonna see how to set up the OpenClaw and configure the WhatsApp so that you can interact with the WhatsApp. As you can see here, we're gonna see how to set up exactly like this. The OpenClaw previously it was called the Chatbot, then they renamed it to Molebot, and again they renamed it to OpenClaw. Consider OpenClaw is your personal AI assistant that you can run on your own devices. It answers you on the channels you already use, that is the WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, and many other channels that you have already used, and it also supports some extensions like the Blue Bubbles, Matrix, Zolo. So to install these, if you scroll on they provide a detailed installation guide. Consider you can install this through the npm. To have the npm, we need to install something called the Node.js. So just open up a new tab and type Node.js download. Click on the first link that says download node. Depending on your operating system, download the node. If you have installed it and if you want to verify it, open up your command prompt and type npm version. If we get any version number 3, that means the npm has been successfully installed. Now we can install the OpenClaw. So just copy this command and open up your command prompt one more time and paste it here and press enter. It will install this OpenClaw latest version at the global level. That's why -G. So it will take some time. While it is taking some time, if you scroll down, you can also manually clone this repository and you can build it. This is what they are saying here. You can close this repo, then you can build this. But that is too hectic process. Instead of this is the better approach. Instead of cloning the full repository here, consider this is repository. Instead of you manually build it, you can just install this, right? So that's what we are doing here. Then let's wait for it to install. Consider now it has successfully installed. Let me clear the screen. 126 package has been successfully installed. If you type OpenClaw -version, first we need to check if the OpenClaw has been successfully installed or not. That's why we want to check the version number. OpenClaw -version and press enter. I hope we are using the latest version here. You can say this is the version that we are using. And let me clear the screen. So let's onboard now. Just type OpenClaw onboard. So this is the command to start the OpenClaw. It will ask us to confirm this security information here. You can say security warning. So please read the security warning there and press Y now. And onboarding mode, quick start or manual. I'm going to choose quick start. And then select channel. You can see there are many channels available. In the upcoming videos, we're gonna see them one by one. But here in this video, I will choose the WhatsApp. Discord is there, Google Chat is there, Telegram is there. Choose the WhatsApp. Consider it will take some time. Just give you a few minutes. It will give us the QR code so that we can scan the QR code on our mobile device. And you can see that it asks us to link WhatsApp now. Press Y now on your keyboard. Press Y so that it will show us the QR code that we can scan. Waiting for, you consider we need to scan this QR code on our mobile device. So just take your mobile device and open up your WhatsApp, and in the top right hand side you have your 3 icons. Select that and select linked device. Go to linked device and click on link a device and just scan the QR code now. You consider let me scan this QR code. It is logging now. Now we have successfully authenticated. You consider it is running on the Google Chrome OpenClaw. So that's it. So this is how you scan the QR code using your mobile device. Then what you need to do is it is authenticated now. You consider linked after restart. We have to restart it. But first let's finish this. Let's enter up our personal mobile number. Here you can also enter another mobile number, but it is safe to use our own mobile number. So enter of your mobile number. Let me type the mobile number now. So this is the mobile number that we need to message. So make sure you type the mobile number carefully. Then you consider it is asking us to choose the skills. Press Y. We can skip this for now. There are many skills available. One password. On the right hand side, it will provide what are the skills is about. Monitor logs, and we have an option called summary as well. You can say summary is used for summarizing the text. But we're gonna skip now. So select this. Just press space bar. You can say now it is shows plus sign, right? So and press enter. Earlier it will be dot. If you press this space, it will be plus. Then enter. Set Google Places APK. So just select no here. Then enable foods. Let's also skip this for now. Press space and enter. Consider it is installing the gateway service. Gateway service failed, but don't worry, we will install this anyway using the PowerShell. But for now, just wait for it to give us the URL. It will be give us here local host URL that we will need to type it in the browser. You can say it gave us the URL. So to open these, just click on this URL here. Let me click this URL. Currently it will not be started because the gateway file will have to install this gateway. To install a gateway, just type the PowerShell in the start command and open this PowerShell as admin. Just right click and select run as administrator. This is the PowerShell, and in the PowerShell what you need to type is OpenClaw gateway install. It will install the gateway for us. Consider now the gateway has been successfully installed. To start it, just type OpenClaw gateway start. If it didn't start, then we can start this manually. I will show you how to start this manually. Consider there is a path here. This is the path that the gateway has been installed. Just copy this path and open this in the file explorer. Here you have an option called the gateway.cmd. Just enter it. Just double click it. Consider it will start the gateway server manually. Now the OpenClaw server has been successfully started. And if you go to the URL now, just go to the browser and refresh this page now. Consider now we have successfully got the OpenClaw UI here, but we didn't add any authentication, right? We didn't add any API key, right? Let's see how to do that. To add the authentication, open up your command prompt one more time. Just the command prompt, and here just type OpenClaw models auth add. OpenClaw models auth add and press enter. It will ask us to choose the Anthropic or the custom one. We're gonna go with the custom one. And here we're gonna choose the open router because open router is the only provider that will provide us the free API key. And just type open router and we're gonna use the paste token option. Here profile ID enter. Does this token expire? But before this, let's first get the API token. For that, open up your browser one more time. Open up your new tab and just go to this website, openrouter.ai. So it directly goes to the API page. Let me type OpenRouter again. So this is the website. So make sure you create the account on this OpenRouter. Consider I have already login. Just go to my settings, and before that, if you want to check the models, there are many models available here, and most of them are free also. So go to settings and here select API keys, and consider I have already created many API keys. Click on create and type your name for this API key. I'm gonna type Chatbot testing. Click on create. We have set the expiration to no expire, and let me copy this API key. Consider this will not be able to view again, so make sure you note it down somewhere. So let me copy this API key and I'm gonna paste the API key here. Paste the API key here and press enter. That's right, and that's it. We have successfully configured the API key and we have successfully selected the model. And let me close this gateway server and we're gonna start this again. So let me double click on this one more time. Now it is successfully restarted. Just go to the browser one more time and let me close this one and go to the OpenClaw UI. Here you can enter any message, but if you want to interact with this through WhatsApp, open up your WhatsApp now that you can see on the right hand side. Let me open up the WhatsApp now. Consider this the WhatsApp. So make sure you reply to your own self. You reply to the number that you have provided earlier, right? You consider I am replying myself. Here you can enter some message. Send hi now. Consider it is thinking. It will take some time. It will also update it in the browser as well. In the browser UI also, you consider we send hi. That hi message has been updated in the browser as well. It will take some time. So just give you a few minutes. Consider hello again. I am here and ready to help. What can I do for you? This is the OpenClaw reply. This is what you saw in the UI as well. So what's the weather in Tanjavur? And send this message now. It says it looks like the weather tool is not available. I can try to search the web for the weather in Tanjavur if you like. So I'm gonna say yes, search the weather in web. What would you like to search? Again it's asking, so let me enter Tanjavur weather. Again it says I'm sorry I cannot fulfill this request. The weather tool appears to be unavailable. I think we have to add the weather tool from the UI. So I will show you how to do this later, but first we can ask the other question also. Describe OpenClaw. It gives us a huge list here. OpenClaw is a AI assistant automation. You can read this if you want, but let's ask how to add the weather tool in OpenClaw UI. It says the weather tool is already integrated into the OpenClaw. I think it is hallucinating, I think, because we are using the free version of the OpenRouter, right? If you use the Anthropic, you may get the accurate result. Or so let's see if we can ask, what's the weather like in Tanjavur? So it gave us the weather, right? Tanjavur, partly cloudy, around 33 degrees Celsius. Let's see if we can get the same weather report for Bangalore as well. So I'm gonna copy this and paste it here, and instead of Tanjavur, I'm gonna ask this for Bangalore. So again, it is hallucinating. So if you go to the OpenClaw UI, and here it will also automatically updated because we have connected this through the WhatsApp, right? If you go to skills now, we can have the other tool now. If you go to skill, and you can search the skills here, there are many building skills here. 1Password, Apple Notes, there are many skills available here. Let's search for the weather now. Let me scroll up and search weather. Here you consider the weather is automatically enabled. That's why we really view Thanjavur weather. It is enabled. Get current weather and forecast. No API key required. Sometimes it is hallucinating because we are using the free version of the open router. But if you use the Anthropic API key, you will get the accurate results. So this is how you set up the OpenClaw in your own Windows system. You can also do the same for the Linux as well and set up the WhatsApp through this. You can interact OpenClaw to your WhatsApp. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.